Go, Varus, go. Go. Wag kang oh my god. Panira ka ng trip, Varus. Sayang. Ayun, pwede pa later. After ng stream. Ayan, Vince. Hello, Vince. Welcome to the stream, Vince. And I'll be reading all your chats later on stream. Tawag dito. Pero yun. Ayan. Supremo. Hello. I-announce ko na lang siya mamaya. Oy, please. Nice one. I'm alive. Good trade. It's good. Kaisa? Kite. Nice one. Napakagaling niya maggalyo. Tinalo mo si magaling maggalyo. Tinalo mo si Faker sa galyo. Pare. Okay, wait lang. Jungle isn't working. Yan, ang hirap, ang nakakagulo gamitin yung yung manual aim ng E, sorry. Nagugulo ako sa kanya. Ayun. So, mas madali sa kanila yung big changes. Unlike dito sa Wild Rift na Baron sila. 20 minutes first game? What the shit?
Ganda ng Sasuke. Balik ta rin na lang.
3-4-1. O si Aizen, power spike na pala si Aizen eh. Panalo to. Aizen.
Naglalaglag na. Goals, dinaan kami sa experience, boss. Dinaan kami sa experience.
Aglalog, guys. Aglalog.
Pero guys,
Jerry. Wait lang, okay. I think we are good to go. Hold on, let me just share the stream real quick. List na pala ako dun. Naku, nasampulan pa. Oops, Darius is gonna die. Nakuha nila yung Ice Drake. But once.
If you would just listen, I'm not here to hurt you. I'm you. From the future.
Wait, what?
Ayan. And because Riot forces it. Naku po. Wala. Galio, umout ka na. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo. May Victor magtanggol ba sa C server? Wala pa. Bukas pa. Ayan, bukas actually is the release date for. Wala akong ulti pa naman. Ayan o. Ay! Killing spree pa. We're good, baby. We're good. Oh shit. Sige, okay lang yan. Botos naman sila. Botos. Yeah, kung kaya mo mag-carry. Kasi sa master up kasi, you need good teammates para doon sa may kumuha ng lightsabers ko, diba? Sana may kumuha.
umubo lang. Wala na tayong bawas. Nag-ulti pa ako dun.
Wala nag-back sila medyo malalim.
Sige, okay lang. Reset muna. Rest muna.
Wait lang, wala pa tayong kill, pero this team can't be allowed to snowball. Under no circumstances can they be allowed to snow. Things. Yeah, I've heard pretty good things about the season 2 pilot, bro. Yeah, don't spoil it for everyone, okay? And May, December. Be ready for the newest champion on December. That's all that's AP pala. AP build pala. Si Malphite. Kaya palang lambot niya. Wait lang. I have to restart this stupid app. Ito pa. Kuha lang tayo ng isa para ma-pressure sila. They don't. We're good. Okay. Let's get that dragon. Showing signs of PTSD from the hex core shit, right? But he must have had a reason. And ito pa yung isang theory.
Yama siya.
Mura naman na ito mga tore na ito. 5 piso lang. Sakit. Papunta na yata sa akin.
Or ba?
Oh, pwede na nga. Yan, panalo kayo. What's up? Ay! Uncle. Ayan, Uncle Meow Meow. Hello. Yan, welcome to the stream. Miles Morales. Bro, the absolute cinema, bro. Absolute cinema. Yan, bomb has been planted. Ako po. Redhead. No. That's not Ellie. Ellie's just an NPC. I don't hate this bitch. Tama ba? Okay, ayan.
Pag may lumabas na matatapos.
Mid.
Mid. Sige.
Wala. Sinasure namin. Tagbaran pa.
Oo nga. Nagbaron sila.
Welcome guys to the stream. We are live on both Facebook and TikTok. And please do share the streams. Please do. Tonight, we are playing Convergence, a League of Legends story. Some of you have requested this. Since last night we were talking a lot. Inis. Bad trip siya. Naka-bad trip siya. Okay, sige. Okay lang yan. May protection naman tayo. 335. Okay, protection. Isa pa! Tatangkihin na kita. Oh, may dinosaur kami. Oh, isa pa. Ay, sayang. Wala. We have the wave. Sorry, hindi ko alam eh. Happy birthday, Ate Yuki. If you see this, happy birthday. I miss you. Hope you're doing well. Plus 100 aura. Oho. Mukatte kuru no ka?
Di pa ako nakapag-shopping eh.
Wala talaga mag-burst ako dito eh.
Let's actually play it safe now. Yan, para wala na siyang backline. Baby region for Wild Rift. Kasi they are the market. Diba? They are the market. And Riot's Wild Rift's parent company is actually Tencent. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't look away now. Okay.
Uy,
Pero ang
to.
besa. Nagkipi ako sa mukha mo. Di ba? Kita niyo guys. Kopi daw siya ng besa eh. Nagtipi.
Yan. This is the type of battle na and then we share this here. The Avengers are here, bro. Savika! Okay, we're good. Fuck! Super Timo skin here. I like it. I like the Super Timo skin. Hopefully then, bigyan nila ng chroma si Timo. Diyos ko naman. Diba? Bigyan lang nila ng chroma si Timo.
Thank kasi magkaka-objectives eh. Sayang yung ulti.
Ayun, no?
Rengar, nasa akin oh.
Ka-trade yata
Okay.
sila.
Magano sila?
Ano item nun?
Next
Yung
Nauwi
huli
siya.
Dragon
Tip.
pa tayo.
Dahil ikaw ay isang mabait na Pilipino, tutulungan kita ngayon. Hey, thank you for the rose. Ang dami mong sinisend, madam. Grabe sa'yo, thank you. Sorry. Hindi ko kayo matutulungan. Nako po, sorry. Hindi ko talaga kayo matutulungan. Mauubos tayo. More boss. More boss. Ang hirap ispilingin eh. Okay lang yun. Sige, Morelo tayo. Morelo tayo sunod nito. Makuha ko lang yung Titanic. Bonak din eh. Kaya pa to, please. Just give me time. Yeah, we need those snares, bro. Yep, wala na. Marunong tong jungler nila. Yep. Magta-try ka ng objective take. Let's say you're gonna steal Baron, 'di ba? Let's say you're going to steal Baron. Tapos dinelay
AP Maokai.
Oo, tama.
Kasi kailangan natin mahawakan tong Rengar eh. Promise.
Sige. More on CC.
AP Maokai no?
Sige, palag mo na yan.
Oh. Disappear. Oh shit. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, salamat. More like Escanope. Oh, wait lang. Woo! Dodge roll. Para lang ako naglalaro ng Dark Souls. Wait lang. They keep saying blue all the time. Blue. Dun sa blue. Nagla-live ako sa blue. Oh, shit. Alright, here we go, boys. Joke lang pala. Joke lang pala. Ah, sayang. Under tower si Leo. Sayang. Hachisor, hello, Hachisor. Like arm cannon, ability to gain random buffs, okay. Chemtech exoskeleton, grants immunity to death. Then, what is this? So, that Echo and Jinx had some sort of relationship since they were kids, bro. Para mas makita nyo kung paano mag-change yung ultimate niya. Victor is out, bro. Yes, Victor is out, but muntik na. Diba? Ayan, okay. Wait, mate. Please don't. Ako kanina kaya ano. Tatargeting ko sana yung Echo kasi low siya eh. Sayang yun. Tumaban. Wala na, parang natakot na sila. Pero yung Riven kasi, yung Riven din nakakatakot to pag dinapatan ko to. Baka mamatay lang ako sa Riven. Oh, ano yan? Ba't double ward? Ba't nawalan ako ng ultimate? Ba yan? I'm shipping sa controls mo. Ganun talaga. That's the rule, bro. That's the bing. Nice, oh. Oh, lambot ni Malphite talaga. Isang kagat lang to. Monitoring ko sa TikTok. I don't know why. But yeah. Ang layo ko na. Wala po. Ayan. Immune to death for 3 seconds. Wait. Bakit ganito na naman yung Borgar? Hello Borgar. Yung Trinda, oh. Yung Trinda. Pigilan nyo yung Trinda. Nasus, do your thing. Namatay na si Ziggs nung nag-cast yung Eco. Okay, sige. We got the first item na. Pakas ng third mo, boss. Ito. Wala pang Victor sa Wild Rift. December 12 pa. Okay, December 12 pa. We are here playing on good. Should I go zombie ward? No. Hunter. Tapos ayan, sige, Hunter lang. Oh, what could have... We don't need to go bottom anymore. 20 seconds. Stop the time. That's so cool, bro. Stop the time. Oh, nag-kampi ko. So, hindi ko alam kung sinong mamamatay na, sinong hindi pa. Okay, let's try ganking topside. Kasi parang nabubuli sila. Ayun na nga. Shit. Oh, so... But this is as wide as it gets, bro. I'm not gonna go any further. I can't go any heavier. Lang yung laki ng ano niya. Ayan lang yung laki ng ng area of effect ng skill niya. Ayan lang. Gamers, oy, boss, naka-follow na rin ako dito. Ay, thank you. Ikaw pala yan. Okay, here we go. I-push nyo na yung mid para hindi tayo siya. Okay? Whoever wins gets picked for my stream. Tapos kung sino mang manalo sa kanila, sila yung mapipili sa stream nila. And we'll be fighting you in a best of 3. Wait lang. Kaya ko siyang patayan eh. Deleted.
You have slain an enemy. Enemy is dominating. Enemy slain.
Kasi, 'di ba? Matitigil na din yung sinasabi nilang LOL dead game. Op. Okay. Sige, over the wall tayo. Napukpok ka tuloy. Yeah, we're good. GG's. And she looks really fun to play. Kasi she's like, sino ba yung mga, if you guys play fighting games, she's like yung parang yung range.
Get this far into the past. Some kind of modification of the Zero Dragon.
Okay. I like the controls of this game kasi sobrang fast-paced niya. Okay. GA na tayo agad pagkatapos ito. Tapos uunahin ko yung Pantheon. Here we go. Oh, namatay na yung Pantheon. Ako, magagap ako nito ng early ah. Teka lang nga. Wait lang tayo guys.
Okay dyan.
Sige, kaya namin to. Kahit 45, kaya namin to.
Kasi edad yun naman yung ano eh.
Uy!
No, ito. Pinaprendy pa.
Friendly pa rin ka na naman ha. Oh, ipis.
Ay, konti na lang to.
Hello, Dos. Welcome to the stream, Dos. Para ako may galit lagi ah. Stunned! Nice. Okay. Ignite.
Tayo ulit. Kanino tayo? Sino ba tayo?
Tayo lang ako.
Los itlog mo.
Diabolos.
Sino kalaban natin? Wala guys ha.
Yan. Okay. So we are back on the CN server. Bakit high CPU usage pa rin?
Wala bang all chat? Kasi merong all chat eh.
10,000 gold tip na.
Sabihin mo magkita-kita tayo dito sa Baron Pit lagi. Ano lang, balagbagan lang dito. Diyan oh.
Malagwagan lang sa Baron.
Oo, doon lang sa loob.
Okay. Mamaya I'll explain. Kunin ko lang yung mga names nyo. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Idomo X Desu. Okay. Kasi katulad nung sa yung sa kabilang platform, Facebook, na yung subscription mo, you make your own stickers and you design shit. And I promise you, I wanted to design my stickers.
Punit yan. Ayaw mapunitan yan.
Severe?
Pero ako lang
Ito
AP
na.
Sakto to ah. Armor lang.
Kaso lang. Kaso lang, they just announced the gonna have to pull. Come on, come on, come on. Up, dito na yung ipis. Hello, 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 hello. Bakit ganon? Naglalag talaga. But we also need setters. You know what? I could actually go Yone. Ako po.
Masyado naman kayong gigil, guys!
Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Ah! Oh my god, sayang. Sige, sige. Push mo lang, Dig.
Entirely. Clan Pharaohs halted production as soon as word reached Piltover that they had been tricked. It was too late. The Poindextrous had made enough Syntixi to do anything they wanted.
GG. Wait lang, i-add mo na lang ako. Ano IGN? Ito. Yan, Eisenhart 3249. Wala. Okay, warded. Good. Okay. We drift in. We drift in, we roll in. We roll in. Oh, mali ng tinamaan. Mali ng tinamaan. The boy is innocent. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. He ruined the greatest family reunion of all time, bro. And sport. Hindi ko siya malapitan. Ang sakit. Bawi. Okay na to. We're good. We're good. Stream mo, boss. I'm not streaming the whole episode. I'm just streaming this. This is all you get. This is all that Riot is allowing us to do. So since this is a future storyline, so we have another version of Hextech that they. Wait lang, sige, may away na magaganap sa top side. Warwick is here. Sige. Lumubok.
Ayan, so sunod na i-interview ko si Rebs. Rebs, kamusta? Rebs,
Hello, what's up?
kamusta?
So remove na to. Ay, ikaw na naman. Hindi, sige, remove na natin si Christian Gen. Oh, they have a preview now. Okay, we're gonna watch it later. We're gonna watch that later. They have a preview now. So I am going to play Marvel Rivals because of Wolverine, just because of Wolverine. They added the fastball special to the game. Who would have thought, bro? Ang sakit mo sa dibdib. Okay, this is gonna be the last game of the day, boys. So, yep. Pahinga muna tayo after na to. Mag-bluekin. Lagi naman ako nagbo-blue cane. Lalo na puro Lich Bane. Lich Bane early. Let's go for that early Lich Bane. Okay, it's fine. Oh, pwede pa lang pwede na palang bumili outside the base. My goodness. Oh, Jinx. Oh, Jinx. Hello. Hello, Jet. Yo. Attack speed ulit. Attack speed lang ulit. Pari-pari. And one more thing pala that I have to do. Goes that. General Lau, ayan. So, congratulations, you win. You and your team won 1,850 wild cores each. So ayan, good congratulations. It was oh shit. It went way over the limit.